Hello friends, you are once again very welcome to the amazing gadget and the world of awesome invention Crazy Gadget. And the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If the channel isn't yet subscribed, then subscribe now and set the notifications and hit the bell icon and sit relaxed. So without any delay, let's start our video. Number 1. Revolver M Series Lens Kit. Guys, if you are fond of clicking photos from your smartphone, then you can take your hobby to even more next level through this gadget. There are different types of lenses in it. You have to put it on the back side of your smartphone, and whatever lens you want to use, you just have to remove it and put it in front of your smartphone's camera lens, and then you can click a professional photo through it. It is very easy to install because it comes with a magnetic attachment, so it attaches on your smartphone immediately. In this, you also get a super micro zooming lens with wide angle lens. You will be able to use it according to your choice and click on the perfect picture. So friends, if you also have a passion for photography, then you can use this gadget, which will like a lot. Number 2. Atmos Window 2. Guys, it's a smart window those you have to put on your room wall, and you can display different scenes, animation or any picture according to your mood. On seeing this, it seems that your house is built in the same place in actual which is set on the scene. That is, it looks like a real window and the outside view is enough to praise the mood. And its special thing is that on seeing this, you will see only that part of the scenery, as it will be able to come in its frame. Rather, as you move, you will see the next side area in the same way as seen from a real window. By seeing this, you will feel that you are looking out from a real window. So friends, this gadget will help you a lot to experience new places in the room. Number 3. Razer Delta Wing. Friends, normally as a medium of transport, we use bikes to cars. But if we talk about some creative and fun medium of transport, then meet Razer Delta Wing. Heavy duty steel, this amazing vehicle made of frame will transport you from one place to another in such a way that you will not know. Its front part looks like a bicycle to a great extent. At the same time, there is a back part just to keep the legs and the way of running it also very amazing. You can control it by moving left and right of your feet, and it is even more fun. You can freely move your body while driving by coordinating with it. And its handle is also largely free, which makes riding very smooth. So friends, if you too are bored with your traditional cycle, then this gadget will use to prove a lot of new experiences. Number 4. Zoom Shoes. Friends, meet this portable transportation device. You can also call them electronic scat in a way. Using them is also very simple. Just you have to stand on them and they will go on. The button side wheels are present in them because their design and concept are so simple. They are easy to operate. Also, you will be transported from one place to another. That is, it is absolutely perfect for you to travel a small distance. Looks are also quite amazing because you get to see some LED light as well, and you can carry them easily anywhere. So friends, it makes a choice for such a gadget. Number 5. Igloo Home Smart Key Box 2. Friends, everyone use lock, but a problem if the normal lock keys are lost. Also, the keys of traditional looks always have to be kept with you in such a situation. If you want to get rid of this tension, then you can use Smart Gadget. Friends, this is a smart lock that you can use at any place. You can upgrade the security of that place by using it. In this, you get the password option. Also, you can remotely share this lock with your smartphone. Like if you have installed this lock at your home, and if your friend or relative come to your house on your absence, then you can provide access to this lock from anywhere. If you can use it with your cycle, etc., that it is a universal purpose lock. So friends, if you want to make the security of your home more stronger, then you can use such smart lock instead of traditional. Number 6. Switchboard. Friends, meet this amazing gadget in which you will be able to remotely control any device. Like any device will be able to switch on or off sitting anywhere. So friends, you want to convert your home into a smart home, then this gadget will help you, because this is a gadget that you can put through the electronic appliance switch, and then you won't have to board it to turn that device on or off. Rather, you can turn all your devices on or off whenever you are sitting from anywhere. This gadget comes with a sticker which you can easily stick it on any switch and then control any device from your smartphone with the help of this gadget. Friends, if you also want to make your home a smart home, then too at a very low cost, then you can try this gadget, and which can prove to be very amazing. So friends, the link of all these gadgets is given in the description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from there. So please like the video and also set the notification by subscribing to the channel, so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.